Good morning, everyone. In our last lecture, we got various concepts about vocabulary, its uses, and different types of vocabulary. We also learned how vocabulary changes according to the situation, according to the context. The meaning of the word also changes. So, let's now study about the types of context clues. Synonyms are the words having similar meaning. Antonyms are the words of opposite meaning. Here I have explained and also given definition of synonym and antonym in uh, uh, in the present page. Affixation is a most important part of every vocabulary. Affixation refers to the fixing or adding certain letters in the beginning or at the end of the word. It changes the meaning and category of the word also. A large number of words are created by the process known as affixation. The process consists in using meaningful parts before or after base words for the purpose of creation of the new words. So, what do you mean by prefix? Prefix is a noun, a word, letter, or number placed before another word. Prefix means a word, letter, number placed before another word. It includes large group of letters. So I have certain negative prefixes here. Study the list of prefixes and suffixes given below and learn how new words are created out of the existing words. So here I have listed some prefix, base word and new word. If we add I am or im as prefix, then the word would be impossible. If I add in as a prefix, the word would be incorrect. If I add ir, then irregular, unimportant, disloyal, misconduct, malnutrition, illegal, non-vegetarian, asymmetry, and antisocial. So these are all the opposite, or what we can say, negative words. They give the negative meaning. So most of the prefixes are those words which give negative meaning. So in this chart you will have certain prefixes like uni, so unilateral, monotheism, bipolar, tricolor, multiracial, multinational, polyclinic or polysyllabic. Study the given chart. Here you will have certain prefixes, their meaning, base words, and how the new words have been created. So here I will give you one example how re is used. Re is a prefix. The meaning of re is again base word is built and new word is rebuilt. So whole chart gives idea of prefix and suffix. So what are the suffix? Suffix, the meaning of this word is adding morpheme at the end or adding letters at the end. A suffix is a letter or group of letters added at the end. See certain examples: Asian, fy, ing, it is. So when we make plural, that time we use suffixes. When we use ing in particular verb, that is also called as suffix. Often the suffix causes a spelling change to the original word. Examples of spelling change includes beauty, beautiful, duty, dutiful. Then heavy, readiness, heaviness and readiness. When we add able plus ity, ability, possibility. Like this we have more examples ahead. See the chart properly. Now the forget by using full. The word has been prepared like forgetful, useful, state, government, statement, government. The new word is most often a different word class from the original word. In the table above, the suffix full has changed the verb to the adjective. Meant, ion have changed verb to the nouns. If you see word ending in meant, for example, it is likely to be a noun. Commitment, contentment. So what is the function of suffix that we will learn? The function of a suffix, like prefixes, there are many suffixes used in English language. The main purpose is to create rich vocabulary. These suffixes change the meaning of grammatical function of the base word or the root adjective. Font, you create the comparative fonder and the superlative fondest. Take the suffix ist. By adding these two words, you have changed the word to describe a person and performs or practices something, so art becomes artist, a person skilled in a particular art. So let's look at the verb read. This verb can be turned into noun by adding the suffix er. So we call reader. Likewise, by adding suffix, the able verb read now becomes the adjective readable. So what are the different types of suffixes I have given here? Even according to those, some words have been also prepared. Suffixes are also normally the adverbs. Suffixes like ly shows the examples of adverbs like calmly, easily, quickly. Even downwards, homewards, upwards, wise, anti-clockwise, clockwise, and edgewise. Here we find the examples of suffixes in the category of adverb. There are suffixes also in the category of verbs. So here we end our topic. I will give you the exercise in the classroom. The suffixes create variety in the English language. They provide endless ways to express our thoughts, feelings, findings, and emotions. They morph noun into adjectives and verbs into noun. They express deeper qualities, providing layers of a color intrigue required by the writer. Be aware that sometimes adding a suffix to a base change the spelling of the new word in new creation. So use the examples in your real life contexts. Suffixes in the field of noun, suffixes in the field of adjective, verb and adverb. Thank you.